The full supply chain of the global pharma industry can be found at CPHI, from active pharmaceutical ingredients to intermediates, procedures, new materials, and hardware. Hardware is a specific topic, handling organic material, improvements in new equipments and procedures. This is a security airlock for substances that must not come into contact with the environment, used, for instance, in the manufacturing of vaccines. Moving away from PFAS in surfaces like filters is another topic addressed here. The ban of substances like PFAS, which is used on surfaces of filters, is challenging for industries that are used to high efficiency from materials. For more events in your area, check out cphi.com.